sa mga magiging future na mga workers or co-students nyo? Pwede? Yes. Why? Qualified na kayo safety. Pag napasa nyo yung post-test on your last day, magiging safety officer na kayo. Qualified. At yung number 3, anong sabi? Diba sabi dito, explain the current Philippine OSH situation. Number 3, compliance to statutory requirement. Compliance to statutory requirement by DOLE and other applicable law. Clear? So we have 3 main objectives in terms of occupational safety and health. Number 1, maintain zero accident program and minimize illnesses in the workplace. Number 2, conduct OSH training. Kayo na mag-o-orient sa mga tao, ano ang safe at hindi safe, ganyan. Kayo na magpapatraining ng